I've been wanting to do another tulle wreath for some time. One of our first couple of videos for the MommyRoomREDO channel was a tulle wreath that we did for spring, and it was so popular. I said I have to do another one of those videos. I have to find an excuse to make another tulle wreath. So I found one. We are making a tulle wreath for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. So here are the supplies that you'll need. This is the heart wreath frame that you purchased from the dollar store. These are pipe cleaners, and you can get these from the dollar store as well. This is the tulle that I'll be using. They're 3 yards each, and I purchased 8 of the red ones and 5 of the pink. So we'll see how that works out. I have these clippers because I plan to cut the pipe cleaners in half. This to me doesn't look like enough, I'm not sure, but I figure I'll just cut them in half. I have this ruler, so when you cut the strips, they should be 30 inches each, so that's why you need a ruler. And you'll use scissors to clip the tulle. And I think that's it. So just as I did when I worked with the other tulle, I worked with orange and yellow before, now I'm working with red and pink. I'm going to use one of each color. I pull the ruler out to 30 inches, lock it, and then I start my cutting. All right, so this is the setup that you're aiming for. Notice the pink tulle is on top of the red tulle, and they stretch out to 30 inches. Also, you'll see the heart frame has the pipe cleaners attached to them, and we'll talk about just how you place them. All right, so I counted how many pipe cleaners I have on here. So I have roughly 9 pipe cleaners on each of the first and second row. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the heart in the middle. So the heart in the middle is a lot smaller. I'll probably add more, but this is what I'm starting with. So like I said, I clip the tulle. Should be roughly 30 inches. It's not perfect. And all I do is gather it together in the middle with my fingers, just gathering it together, keeping it straight, making sure that the two fabrics are working together, and I'm pulling them in, and I'm just bunching it together. So hopefully you'll be able to see that. Bunching it together and making it really, really tight. Just bunching it together. And so when you finish, you have something like this. That's what you have. So hopefully you can see that. And then what we do is we attach it to a pipe cleaner. Wrap the pipe cleaner around it in the center. Keep it really tight. And I like to wrap it twice so that the pipe cleaner ends up at the bottom of the frame. And then in terms of the tool, I just twist it to make it tight. And that's what I do. And like I said, that pipe cleaner will end up at the bottom. Hey sis! We know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Now I'm working on my second bow, and I thought I'd bring the camera closer just so you could see exactly what I'm doing with my fingers. It's pretty simple. And this is your bow. So you repeat the process until the entire heart frame is covered. Above, I show you the different stages that you'll see as you complete the bows. Unfortunately, we ran out of the pink and we had to get a substitute. So I ran out of tulle and I ended up having to go back out to the Dollar Tree and pick these up. Now they didn't have the same pink that I initially used, so I had to get the white tulle, and I was concerned about how that's gonna look. I put a piece here and it's very hard to tell the difference, so I'm gonna keep going. And as you can see, you really can't tell the difference between the white and the light pink tulle. So I am glad that I forged ahead. So this is how your completed frame looks from the back. You'll have to tuck or clip those pipe cleaners in order to give your finished product a much neater appearance. I picked up this heart from Walmart and I really thought it would finish off this Valentine's Day wreath. And I was right. This is your super easy and super cute Valentine's Day wreath. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.